everyone, how are you? I'm Subui from Alamkul. I hope you are watching my videos, okay? And especially you have watched my trigonometric videos because today I'm going to tell you about trigonometric ratios and some specific angles. I've already talked in my previous videos about what are trigonometric ratios and their relationships, okay? Different type of relationship between them. So today's topic is trigonometric ratios of some specific angles, okay? See, whenever we have been writing sine theta, cos theta. Yes, so this theta is actually representing the angle. Okay, the angle can be anything. It can be 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 65 degree, 80 degree, anything. Angle can be anything. Okay, but today we will be studying about some specific angles. Okay, so what will be the what will be the value and those specific angles? Okay, so what are the specific angles that we will be studying today about? That will be 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Okay, for all the trigonometric ratios. Okay, what different trigonometric ratios? That is, I have already told you. So go and watch my videos if you don't, if you have not watched till now. So sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Okay, that is, I'll be starting with theta is equal to 45 degree. That means 45 degree angle. Okay, so I have specifically mentioned here. Okay, so when we're taking 45 degree, okay, let me draw this diagram first for you. Okay, so 45 degree angle, we apply trigonometry in the right angle. So this is a right angle triangle. Okay, ABC. Okay, understood? So this is a right angle triangle. So one of the angle is 45 degree because we are taking theta as 45 degree. Okay, so if one of the angle is 45 degree and we already know it is a right angle triangle, so this angle automatically becomes what? It will become 45 degree. So it becomes an isosceles triangle. Okay, and we know that in isosceles triangle, since sides opposite to the equal angles are also equal. Okay, so this will become here. We are taking as a side as A and A. Now by applying Pythagoras theorem, what you will get? The side A square plus A square, so 2A square. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, we got the value of AC as root 2A. Okay. Now, if we are going to find out the value of the trigonometric ratios, that is sine theta, sine 45 degree, because here theta is 45 degree for this angle I'm talking about. Okay, so sine 45 degree. So what is the value of sine theta? Sine theta is represented by perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So what is the perpendicular here for this angle? It is CB upon hypotenuse AC. So you can see here that is, it is represented by A and this is represented by root 2A. So it will be 1 upon root 2. Okay. Similarly, you can find out for all the trigonometric ratios. Okay. Since sine 45 degrees 1 upon root 2, and in the previous class, I have already told you the relationship between the trigonometric ratios. So cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine theta. So cosec 45 degree will be the reciprocal of sine 45 degree. So it will be root 2. Okay. Now similarly, we can go for cos 45 degrees. So cos 45 degrees is base upon hypotenuse. So it will be upon A upon root 2A. It will be again 1 upon root 2. Okay. And similarly, sec theta is the reciprocal of your cos theta. So it will be root 2. And then tan theta, we have also studied the relationship between tan theta. Either you can go with what? Perpendicular upon base, and we also have studied the relationship that is sine theta upon cos theta. So sine theta upon cos theta, in that way also you can do, or this relationship also. So it is 1. Okay. And cot theta, cot 45 degree will be reciprocal of 1. So reciprocal of 1 will be 1. Okay. So at 45 degree, if you see at angle 45 degree, if you will study the different trigonometric ratios, okay, mentioned here. Okay. So if I am going to sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot. So if you're going to represent the different values, so sine theta value we have got 1 upon root 2, and cosec theta also in this case we have got 1 upon root 2. Tan theta we have got 1, and cosec theta we have root 2, sec theta also root 2, and cot also 1. Okay. So in this case, at the when the specific angle, that is the angle is 45 degree, then the values of the 6 trigonometric ratios we have discussed here, that is sine theta, sine 45 degrees 1 upon. You have to remember this. Okay. For these specific angles, you have to remember the values. Okay. So for sine 45 degree 1 upon root 2, cos 45 degree 1 upon root 2, tan 45 degree 1, cosec 45 degree root 2, sec 45 degree root 2, cot 45 degrees 1. Okay. For the next angle, okay, that is when the angle is 60 degree or 30 degree. Okay, so here we'll have a 60 degree, 30 degrees. So I'm drawing a right angle triangle. Okay, a right angle triangle. So not a right angle triangle. Sorry, I'm drawing here an equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle, all the angles are 60 degree. Okay, all the angles are 60 degree. Fine. Now in and all the sides are we are taking as 2A. We are going to take all the sides as 2A. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to draw a perpendicular from here. Okay, so this will be 90 degree and this angle we are going to take as 30 degree. Okay, perpendicular. Okay, we'll bisect this angle. Okay, and this is 90 degree and this will become A and A. Okay, so now this triangle A we are taking as A, B, sorry, A, B, C and D. Okay, so this A or I can mention here B, so it will be a little easy. ABD. Okay, in triangle ABD. Okay, for 60 degree. If you are going with a 60 degree angle, so sine 60 degree you see here. First of all, we need to find out this with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so this BD will be equal to what? Root through 3A. Okay, it will become root 3A. Then we are going to apply here the trigonometric ratios. Okay, so sine 60 degree. So sine 60 degree will be what? Upon P upon H. Okay, so again P upon H will be perpendicular. Perpendicular will be BD upon H will be BA. Okay, so it will be what? Root 3A upon 2A. Okay, so it will be sine root 3 upon 2. Okay, so similarly cos 60 degree will be what? Base upon hypo. Base upon hypotenuse. So base is what? Base is A. So it will be simply A upon 2A. So it will give you 1 upon 2. Okay. Now, if you are going to find out tan 60 degree, so tan 60 degree will be upon base upon, perpendicular upon hypo. So root 3A upon A, that is 3. Okay. You can just put sine 60 degree upon cos 60 degree, and that way also you'll get the answer. So root 3. Similarly, cosec 60 degree will be 2 upon root 3. And I'll just draw here the chart sine, cos, tan. Okay. Sine 60 degree, cos 60 degree, tan 60 degree, then cosec 60 degree, sec 60 degree, and cot 60 degree. Okay, so sine will be root 3 upon 2, it will be 1 upon 2, root 3, so it will be 2 upon root 3, it will be 2, and it will be 1 upon root 3. Okay, now similarly we are going to find upon sine 30 degree. Okay, sine 30 degree. Okay, so sine 30 degree upon P upon H. So here the perpendicular becomes as AD. Okay, AD upon AB. Okay, now it will be what? A upon 2A. Now sine 30 degree will be 1 upon 2. And now you are going to find out upon cos 30 degree. So it will be becoming upon root 3 upon 2. Okay, understood? So here the trigonometric ratios will be different. Understood? And then tan also 30 degree you are going to find it. So tan 30 degree will be 1 upon root 3. Okay, so here the chart will be sine 30 degree we have seen, cos 30 degree, tan 30 degree. Okay, and cosec will be 2, sec will be 2 upon root 3, and tan cot 30 degree will be root 3. Okay, so I hope you have understood for the specific angles of 45 degree, 30 degree, and 60 degree. Okay, 60 and 30 are the same. Okay, the same concept, only the angles will be different. Okay, so for angle you're taking 30 degree, your base and perpendicular will be changed, and if you're taking 60 degree, you'll be having different base and perpendicular. Okay, and for 45 degree, you can take any of the angles, it will be 45. Okay, so in the next video, I'll be discussing for the other two angles that are remaining two specific angles, that is 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay, till then, bye bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay.